For a moment or two or three, especially last season, there were blossoming concerns about young sprint star Brianna Lyston when she ventured off to Louisiana State University, LSU. But obviously, last season was her freshman season. This season, we're seeing a brand new Brianna Lyston, active Brianna Lyston, consistent and smooth Brianna Lyston. And of course, we all breathe a sigh of relief, seeing that Brianna Lyston is up and sprinting and looking good. The fact that she took a different route by opting to go to university overseas instead of going pro and clutching at the dollars. Well, kudos to Brianna Lyston, maturing beautifully and running brilliantly. Not to mention her speaking. Listen.
You know, if I'm being honest, a lot, because this is my first SECs. Last year I wasn't able to come because of injuries. So to get over that, you know, you have to like get over this mental block that, you know, probably is going to come back in the race. So I think your mental health, your mental strength is very important when you're at like championships like these. So me and my coaches, we talk, you know, they encourage me as much as they can, motivate me as much as they can. So they do their part, I do my part, and that's going to skip me.
No, that is not twanging. That right there is an accent.